Maybe this is the first time how has this uplifted the spirit of the
well, I believe he's happy because Kitty and I were there and then we talked about her boyfriend.
It's lovely to see, VP, it's lovely to see you smiling po.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
VP, Marlica po muli. Kumusta po si PRRD at this point in time?
Gusto po na.
Okay naman siya. Okay siya. Kitty gave him a massage.
Oh, wow.
Sweet one.
And then
Kitty, yeah, go.
na ano siya, na speechless siya sa boyfriend. Hindi
Go na yan.